My friend, we are going to clean them up. Man, let's see, this is basket. We're going to looking for muddy car. Where is it, my friend? Ba-da! Tam-dam-tam-tam. Look at this, my friend. What is this? Oh my god. A lot of muddy car here. Okay. Alright, no problem. Let's go. We are going to clean them up, my friend. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's go. Water, my friend. Look at this. Beautiful water. Okay, let's start. Alright, what is this, my friend? This is kind of, let's see. Wow, this is Jeep, my friend. Very nice Jeep. Very good. Okay. And what is this? Alright, the blue one.
Hey boys, stay with me. And Flo, what'll happen if no one can come to your station to buy gas?
I'll go out of business.
Very nice. Clean already. Okay. What is this, my friend? See? Muddy car. So muddy. Clean already. Oh man. Haha. Very good, my friend. Nice. Clean. Okay, let's see again. What is this, my friend? Wow, this is amazing, Ramirez. Go, Ramirez. Nice, Ramirez. And this one is... Okay, this is a fire rescue, my friend. See? Nice. Clean, my friend. Hey. What is this? Oh, this is a loader. Okay, no problem. Go. Wait. This is tayo. Green tayo, my friend. Let's see.
Wow!
Logie, can I take this with me?
Of course!
Very nice. Okay, what is this? Kind of Jackson stone, my friend. Very nice.
Hey, costume girl! You know, at first I thought you were out here because...
Car, beautiful. Hey. And this one, what is this? This is the red one, Lighting McQueen. Okay. Very nice, McQueen. What is? Let's see. Okay, this one. The red one. Tayo. Minibus. Very nice. Good. Very good. Okay. Hi. This is rally car, my friend. Wow. Nice, nice. And what is this? Whoa, amazing. Sorry. Friend. See? Okay, good. This one, kind of monster truck. Let's go. Very good. And it may be white car. Yes, it is. Folly's car, my friend. Okay, very nice. And what is this? Where? Nice, it is a rally car. Okay, nice. Wow. What is this, my friend? Let's see. Wow, Dinosaurus. Oh, okay. This one is what it is. Amazing. This is a Molen car. Very nice. Let's go. Look at this 120 Mini. This is the big one, my friend. Let's see. The big one. Wow, nice. Truck, my friend, the big truck. Okay, clean already. And then, what is this? Whoa, it's just a Formula 1. Good. And this one, Royal Tandem. Aha, nice. Very good, clean. Okay, what is this? Old rod glass, my friend.
71 Ford, but we watched this guy go down a racetrack, the nitrous engine, all those kits.
Very nice. Good. What is this? Amazing. Wow. Beautiful double cabin.
I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots on.
Time Jeep, my friend. Jeep. Okay. This one is Thomas. Alright.
Oh, the indignity! Which pongy engine is in charge here?
A train. Good. Well, this is my friend. See, it's romantic car. That's what it is. This flat? Oh, the car flying. The white one and the blue. Very good. Hi. I'm sure I don't know. This is Mr. N or what? I don't know. Mr. N, I think. Huh, Mr. N. What is this? Tayo.
Okay, I'm off.
Blue one. Very nice, Tayo. See? Beautiful. Okay. This one is a big truck. See? Very nice. Clean already, my friend. Okay. What is this, my friend? You see, it's a snow tractor. Okay. Amazing. Good. The last one. No more. Let's see, what is this? Wow, amazing. This is a rally car, my friend. Very nice. Okay, no more. Finito, my friend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, bye-bye, my friend. Ciao.